You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly this very confusing word. I love this word. It looks very incredible, unbelievable. How do you even start pronouncing this? Well, let's go through. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. Ultracrepidarian is how you say it, alright? British English and American English pronunciations are similar for once, so that's good. A person who expresses opinions on matters outside of the scope of their knowledge or expertise. Ultracrepidarian. It's easy once you know. Ultracrepidarian. Ultracrepidarian. Can you pronounce this correctly? Yes, at least you know now. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.